स्पेशल म्याथमेटिक्स टिप्सहरुमा अब हामी नयाँ प्रब्लमहरु सुरु गर्दैछौं। हाम्रो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरी सहयोग गरिदिनु होला सबैजनाले। अब हामी प्रब्लमतिर लागौं। The first problem is, which of the following represents the total cost in dollars of K compact discs at $15 each and P compact discs cases at $25 each. Disregard sales tax. The tax is not included in the problem. So here the question describe us about the total cost, which represents the total cost in dollars. So K compact discs at $15 each. K compact discs for $15 each means that is total K into 15. So this can be written as 15K. And the next item is P compact discs at $25 each. That means the total we need to find. So we are going to make a put addition sign here. So the next case is P compact discs with the rate of $25 each. That means 25P. So in case of variable we have to write, we don't need to find the solution. So the result is 15K plus 25P. We need to look at the option, and the correct option is option A, 15K plus 25P. Now the next question is, look at this question. Please see the question very carefully. Here is the condition provided: if the areas of two rectangles in the figure above are equal. In the above figure, there are two figures and the area is equal in both the cases. So we need to find the coordinates of the point R. First of all, we need to know that area equals to L into B. L and B, if it interchanged, if B into L, our area does not change. So in the first case, two rectangles are clear. That means in the first quadrant, this one rectangle, let us say the rectangle in first quadrant, it has from the coordinate of this point is 4, 2. It means that origin to, let us say, this point A, the distance is 4, and A to P, let us say the distance is 2. So area equals to 4 into 2. This equals to 8. Now we need to know that the area of the R, this R is also, R rectangle is also same, that is 8 square unit. So we need to find the coordinate of the point R. What is the point R? First of all, we need to know that R lies in the, which quadrant is this? This is second quadrant. Second quadrant means the sign or the notification for second is x-axis is negative, y-axis is positive. That means our answer will be in between this, minus plus. So let us see the option. Option A is cancelled because both are minus. Option B is probable, but 2 into 2 is 4, so this is also negative. It is wrong. Option C, negative positive, it has chance. 4 to the 8, also it matches again. Option D, plus minus, it is wrong because it should be minus plus. Option E is plus plus in second quadrant, it is not the representation of the pointer. So only the remaining our option is option C, which gives the area also 8. And you might, please do not get confusion with the minus 2 into 4. We are not looking for the positive and negative sign. We are looking for the area, and area is always a positive quantity. Area cannot be negative. So minus represents it lies on the second quadrant. So only we consider the magnitude, that is 2 4 is 8. So our correct option is option C. Is it clear? Now let us go to the next problem. Let's see this problem. Question number 3. A box contains 2900 solid colored marbles. Total colored marbles are 2900. Yeah, a box is here. Let us consider this. Some are orange. Let us make it colorful. So some are orange here. Some are orange color. Some are blue color. Here we don't know how many are blue, how many are orange, and how many are green, or some of them are green in color. Green in color. There are total 3 different varieties. In total we have 2900. If 29% of marble are orange, orange color is 29%, and marble are 29% of marbles are orange, and 29% of marbles are blue, and blue are also 29%. Actually in this problem, when we are asked in the percentage, this 2900 does not have any role. If the number of green marbles were asked, then it may have some role. So right now we need to know that total green, blue and orange all together makes 100%. So we have 29 plus 29, total 29 to the 58% are the total marble. They are orange and blue. Now what percent are green means the total percent is how much? Total percent is always 100. So 100 minus 2 remaining colors are 58. So remaining we have 42%. So we have 42% in the option B. So the correct answer is option B, that is 42%. So in this way we are coming with more problems on the Cumat mathematics. So these are the type of problems. So we need to be quick enough to manage the time to get the correct score. Again, we need to also remember that if we are not sure, then we have to quit it, because we have a negative marking in the Cumat examinations. So please be very careful before you give the answer. So please, we need to be much more focused on the topic whatever we are looking for. Now let us see the next problem, that is problem number 4. We have two different sets provided to us, set P and set Q. Let us try to understand the question very clearly. P equals to 1 3 5 6, Q equals to 2 4 6 7 9. Set P and set Q are shown. X is the member from set P. Set P has the X member as we need to be very clear that this is equal to X is from here, and this is Y. Y is from the set Q. Which of the following cannot be equal to the product of XY? Product of XY means P into Q, the member. Let us see, it's very clear we need to go from option 16, 18, 20, 21, 24 are options. So it will be better for us to go through the options so that we can get the answers very clearly. 1 into all the numbers, because X into Y means X is 1, Y is 2, 4, 6, 9. So let us start with 1. 1 makes 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. These are not here. So let us come to 3. 3 to the 6. 3 4 the 12. 12 if it is here, then 3 6 the 18. 18 is here. So this is not our case, because cannot is here. Cannot be equal to the product of XY. So 3 6 18. 3 7 the 21. 21 is also here the product. So it is also not our answer. So 3 9 the 27. We have only up to 24 the option is. So we don't have to reach there. Now let us come to 5. 5 to the 10. 5 to the 20. Again 20 is also not our answer. Now 5 6 to 30 means we don't have to go more. Now 6 to the 12. 6 for the 24. 12 is not here. 24 is also rejected now. Now 16 is only the one which we have not got. Now if you go to 6 for the 24, now 6 6 to 36 greater than 24 is not there. So only the correct option is option A, that is 16. So sometimes it is very quick for us to go through the option. If we start looking from the first, then we may have to waste our time. And have told you before also, the most important part is we have to manage the time. So our next problem is the question number 5 लिखिए भने if 1 by 6 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 8 is greater than 1 by x plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 8, then x could be which of the following? We have to find the value of x. Now see here, first of all, it's very clear that the equality sign will be there, so we need to be very much careful. See, it is like inequality is here. So 1 by 6 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 8 is greater than, means this is like equal sign, inequality only, greater than 1 by x plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 8. So as like there, 1 by 7 and 1 by 8 on both sides we can cancel. The problem will left that 1 by 6 is greater than 1 by x. Now in case of fraction, we need to be very much carefully. Now let us choose one example. 1 by 2 equals to 0.5 and 1 by 3 equals to 0.33. Now see here, as the denominator increases, the value of the fraction decreases. But here 1 by 6 should be greater than 1 by x. That means to be 1 by 6 greater, what should be the value? If we make 6 1 by x equal to 6, 1 by 6 equal to 1 by 6. Now if we make this smaller to be smaller, the value of x should be greater than 6. So here is only one option, the greater than 6 is 1 by 7. So therefore x should be equal to 7. Only x value greater than 6 will make this fraction smaller. So this type of comparisons you have to do always while solving a problem, which is very much easy for you to solve it. Okay, now let us see the next problem. Question number 6 tells us that if tx plus 5 equal to t plus 1 into x, which of the following must be true? Now let us see. We need to first of all read the question, and we have seen that there is the word must. Must means there is no second option if there is the possibility or chance. So let us solve here. Tx plus 5 equal to t plus 1 into x. That means if we see here, what happened? Tx plus x. Both sides we have tx plus 5. So tx cancel. What left is x equal to 5. Is there in our option? Yes, here it is. So our correct option is option B, x equal to 5. So this problem is very simple, so we do not have to be confused while answering the questions. So we have to read the question and we need to be careful before we pick up our answer. Sometimes what happen, you know that the option B is correct, but in your answer sheet you may write A or C or other things. So everywhere we need to be careful to get the score properly. Now let us see the next question. Now question number 7 to 9, we have to refer this definition. Here we have, the question has given itself a new definition. The new definition here is, what is the new definition of the problem is that A has B. A has B. See here, this has sign. A has B is defined with this A into B plus A plus B. The definition is that. So in the similar way, 2 has 5 equals to what happen? 2 means A, 5 means B. So 2 into 5 plus 2 plus 5. It is a new definition that question itself has provided. According to that, standing on the same definitions, we have done this. So 2 5s are 10 plus 2 plus 5. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. So 17 is our correct answer. It is in our option C. So option C is our correct answer. Standing on the same, now we have question number 8 also. Okay, the question number 8 is also depending or standing on the same previous problem, that A A has B equals to AB plus A plus B plus A plus B. Now we have given what? 10 has H equals to 98. So 10 S from the definition is what? 10 into H plus 10 plus H. 10 into S, 10S, 10S plus H is how much? Equals to 98. Let us see. Let us write. So 11H equal to 98 minus 10. So 11H equal to 88. From here, what we get the value of H? H equals to 88 by 11. 11 8 is 88. Therefore, H equals to 8 answer. Now let us see on the option whether it is there or not. H equals to 8, it is in the option where? Option A. So our correct answer is option A. Now with the same formula we have question number 9 also. Let us see in question number 9. For what value of x is the statement x has y equal to x? X has y equal to x always true. Always true means for what value of x? From the definition, x has y equal to xy plus x plus y. This is the definition that is provided before the question number 7. So now see, x has y, xy plus x plus y should be equal to x. So this x and x cancel. What happened here? Y is common. So x plus 1 equals to 0. So here are two options, either y equal to 0. This is not our concern because we are looking for the value of x. So what should be the value of y? It's not our concern. So x plus 1 equal to 0 implies what happened? X equal to minus 1. So if x equal to minus 1, for what value of x? X equal to minus 1. The statement this equal to x is always true. Yeah, so x equal to minus 1 from the option B, it is the correct answer. You can also check this, like if you put this value here, xy plus x plus y equal to x, that means x equal to minus 1. So minus 1 into y plus minus 1 plus y equal to minus 1. This minus 1 and minus 1 cancel, y and y cancel, that is 0 equals to 0. So this will be a part that if you have time you can check it if you have doubt. So don't be confused here. So these are the problems that we have solved today. So we can go to the remaining problem will come with the next. So please go through the channel, subscribe, and click on the bell button so that you will know all the updates of your recent upcoming COMAT exam. Thank you all.